Hobo moment. These hair clips are from Amazon. I'm going to link them down below because you need them in your life. Also, very quick speed review. This is going in the trash, not because it doesn't do what it says, but because it does transfer. I have hooded eyes. It will get on your lids so quick. And if you put it on your lower lash line, same thing. You're going to have black all around. So, nope, don't likey, it transfers. Got a blast. Hi, gorgeous. So today we are talking blushes. These are my 5 favorites that help me look and feel bright and happy and springy. It is springtime. The beauty community likes to tuck blush. So let's do it. First up, and the one that I am wearing right now, is the Rare Beauty Soft Pinch Liquid Blush. Mine is in the shade Bliss. And let me tell you, this goes... this is gonna last you forever. A little bit goes a long way. You do not need a lot for this product to pack a punch, no joke. This will cost you $23 and it is 0.25 ounces. There's literally so many shades on there that you can choose from. I love a soft pink. I also love a poppy pink, but this one is great for an everyday look. It's got a beautiful shine to it, but not too much of a shine, so it doesn't look like you're like glamming out or you have glitter all over your face. It is buildable, and I feel like it goes really well over powder. So you can use this with powder foundations, or you know, if you set your makeup, you set your under eye, and then you put your blush on. This product works really well with that. It just goes with the flow, and it's gorgeous. Next, let's go in with an oldie but goodie. This one is from Nars. She's a classic. She is a bad B, no joke. This is the Nars Orgasm Liquid Blush. We all know, hopefully you know, the Orgasm shade from Nars is like a tried and true. Every single person in the beauty community has this, I'm sure of it. Powder form, liquid form, cream form, it's everywhere. This also a little bit goes a long way, and there's gold pigments in there. Just tiny, just enough to show through and give you that glow from within look without overdoing it and making us look like we just, you know, sneezed in a bucket of glitter and then walked outside. We still look very natural, just glowy natural, very springy, very poppy. This one is more sheer than the Rare Beauty, but it is buildable as well. You can choose 3 shades. Obviously, I went with the classic Orgasm shade. It is $30, but it will last you forever too. You see how much I'm using on that beauty blender. I'm just dabbing it on and blending it out, and it gives me that beautiful golden, pinky, punchy glow. It is gorgeous. I totally think it's worth the money. Springtime, like you were going to, like your blush is just gonna be killing it. This is so gorgeous. Let's welcome Merit to the stage. These are the Flush Balm Cream Blushes. I have used these for multi-purpose before, so obviously today I'm showing you the blush version, but don't be fooled if you think I have not taken my crease brush and used this as an eyeshadow just all over the crease and come up with a nice fire monochromatic look. Like, gorgeous. This does not have sheen, glitter, nothing that's glowy, but it is dewy. It does shine on your face. Just so you know, I have normal skin that can go to the oily side, just depending on the weather. But these are great for that everyday, beautiful, soft, flushed look. I'm obsessed with this one in the shade. I'm not even gonna attempt this one. You can read it. I don't know how to say it. There we go. I'm obsessed with this one. Like I said, I love the packaging because you can just pop, pop, pop right on your cheeks and then take your fingers and blend it right out. So gorgeous. Perfect for every day. I feel like if you're that no makeup girly, you need this in your bag. Ooh, I'm obsessed with this one. Huda Beauty. This is the Cheeky Tint Blush Stick, and it is gorgeous. I almost like this one better than the Nars. Obviously, this is a stick brush, so I will say that this one applies easier than the Nars product does, just because you can, just like the Merit, bop, 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 and then pat it out with your fingers. This has the most gorgeous golden glow to it. It's that pinky golden blush that we love to see when the weather starts to heat up. This is so gorgeous. It is pretty sheer, but you can build it and really create that punchy poppy pink. I think a little bit goes a long way with this. I like to use this for the blush and highlighter look combined. It is so pretty. It's gorgeous. This beauty is $25. I got it off Sephora. You have 5 shades to choose from. Highly recommend this one. It is so pretty. You will not regret it. Now let's go into this one, which I feel like is not talked about enough. This is from Jaclyn Cosmetics, and it is the Luminous Rouge Mood Light Blush. This is a powder blush. Like, it looks like it's in a setting powder, a loose setting powder package. But this blush, once you get the hang of it, it's so pigmented. It is unbelievably pigmented. It is the smoothest formula. Like, it feels like the most finely milled flour out there. This is a $30 blush, but I think it's so worth it. Mine is in the shade Love Language. This adds such a gorgeous warmth and color to your skin, to those cheekbones. It really makes them pop. I love to apply my blush from the apples of my cheek and bring it up to the corner of my eye, just to kind of run with the highlight so everything transitions really smooth. This just creates the most beautiful, luminous glow from within look. It's just magic. I love this product. A little bit goes a long way. As you can see, I've got my little brush, fluffy blush brush, and I've tapped, and it is still, boom, super pigmented. A lot of product, very punchy, but you can really, really blend it out. I would suggest taking your setting powder and going over your cheekbone and anywhere that you apply blush. If you bring it up like I do, go ahead and take your setting powder and apply that, just a really, really light layer, and then go over top with this blush powder, because the transition, like the blending of the product will be so much more smooth. Because if you have a sticky foundation or concealer, or maybe you just, you know, have oily skin, it will stick and it's gonna be much harder to blend. So I would definitely start with a setting powder and then go over top with a light layer of this from Jaclyn Cosmetics. So those are my picks for blushes that are going to provide a poppy, pink, punchy springtime look for you. As always, everything's going to be linked down below. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe if you have not, and I will be seeing you in the next video. Bye.